Hello, everybody. Hope you guys doing great. Welcome back, Voices from Sea, and this is our fourth video. In this video, just I want to teach how to create 2D map and how to save into PNG format. So, if you don't understand anything, just watch my previous videos from very beginning. Hopefully, you're gonna understand everything. So now we're gonna make map in basically this is the 2D map. So before that, mhm, okay, first of all, this legend, we need legend only the DSQL SST Bob 2025 and 04 maps, and then we don't need it. Let me clarify one thing. This is our mainly our extracted data, SST data. This is our base map. Okay, then look at this. This is our, now we have no data in this area because this is the ocean data and it covers land area, ground area. That's why we have no data in this portion. And yes, this is our 2D map and this is our legend. And this is SST value. If you want to, for example, if you want to change something, color values, or more visualize, look, now it's more visualized, more readable, right? Because we have reduced standard deviation. And the more you reduce the standard deviation, the more you see the real value of your map. Okay, hopefully it looks understandable. Now it's time to save into PNG format. Click here, export. SST 2025-04 and then to BOB. Why are we going to save it? No. We save here. Now select resolution 300. You want to see our saved map, right? Don't worry, I'm gonna take you into that folder. Yes, this is our final map of SST, but this is 2D map. Thank you so much for watching me here. And if you don't understand anything, just free to ask, just free to comment, and free to connect. I'm so open, and I'm here to help you as far as possible. And thanks again, and thanks again, and yeah, have a good day.